Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use Janet Peppermint Face Wash step by step. Start by wetting your face with lukewarm water, then dispense a dime-sized amount into your palms and rub to create a light lather. Gently massage the cleanser onto your face for about 30 seconds, focusing on oily or problem areas. Rinse thoroughly with cool water and pat dry, then follow with moisturizer suitable for your skin type. For best results, wet your face, lather Janet Peppermint Face Wash, and use gentle circular motions to cleanse for 30 seconds. Pay attention to the forehead, nose, and chin where oil builds up most. Avoid the delicate eye area and skip vigorous rubbing to prevent redness. Rinse with cool water and pat dry before applying toner or serum. Adjust frequency to twice daily or as your skin tolerates to maintain balance. If your skin feels tight after using Janet Peppermint Face Wash, cut back to once daily and use a richer moisturizer to restore hydration. For sensitive skin, perform a pat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.